Namaste, students. Students, we have learned multiplication, division concept. So, and then one of the Odamus chapter, Odamus concept of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So, after the division, so we have perfectly you have find multiplication and find the product and then quotient. Okay, exactly. So, okay. After the multiplication division, we have go for new concept, that is the multiples and factors. Okay, so this chapter, after that I will take one live classes, online live classes. You have to prepare Google Meet. Next week I will take the one class, one or two class I have arranged weekly. um, this chapter or next continuous classes. Okay, multiples and factors. What is meant by multiples? So what is meant by multiples? You know the tables, you know the up to 20 tables. Factors, it is division. You have to divide the, find the divisor and quotient and remainder. Okay, which one is divided? You have already know that, and check the answer also. Okay, so learn these concepts. So now shall I go for multiples? What is meant by multiples? Multiples means what? Then look at the board. I have written one definition. Just we can look after that. After that, I will explain it. It is a number. Multiples means it is a number. These are the numbers. Okay, how it is come to these numbers? Number, that is product. Product means what? Multiply. Product means multiply of two given numbers. Any two given numbers. Two given numbers to get the multiples. To get the multiples of a given number. So what we do? So what is meant by multiple? Multiple is a number, the product of two given numbers. To get the multiples of the given number, multiples of the given number, it should be multiplied by, they should be multiplied, should be the multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, uncountable numbers we have to multiply. We have get the multiples. Okay, once again I will repeat it. It is a number. Multiples means a number, that is a product of two given number. Product of two given number. To get the multiples of a given number, that should be multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, uncountable uncountable numbers. So these are the multiples. So just I have written one example. I have write example. Write the multiples of 3. Write the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. Okay. So it is a given number 3. 3 is a given number. So using this number, find the multiple. So how much multiply? Which numbers multiply using the given number? First 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. After continuous numbers, first we have multiply 3 into 1 equals to what? 3. I have multiplied 1 using the given number 3. 3 1 the 3. Next, 3 into 2. You can get 6. Is it right? 6. Next, 3 into 3. What is it? 9. Is it right? Next, 3 4 the 12. 3 into 4 equals to 12. So what are the we should write next one? 15. 3 5 the 15. Next, 3 6 the 7 18. 3 9 the 21. 3 9 the 3 8 the 24. 3 9 the 27. 3 10 the 30. So we have to stop. These are the multiples of 3. Enough? 10. Enough? 10. So Guruji, I want some 11. You have to multiply. 11 3 the 33. 12 multiply 36. Next, 13 multiply 39. 42 is will be increasing. These numbers are increasing. Do you understand? Write the multiples of 3. So the statement is what? It is a number. Yes, it is a number. Number a, that is a product of two given numbers. Two given numbers, 1 and 2. Multiply, we have get, that is a product. Product means multiple. 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12. Next, I have written mindly I will multiply 5 the multiply 15, 6, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay, now I will take the examples of another one example. Example, second one, it is first one. Write the multiples of sorry 5. Write the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. Taken multiply, mindly multiply. 1 multiply 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 30, 5 7 the 35, 5 8 the 40, 5 9 the 45, 5 10 the 50, 5 10 the 50. These are the multiples of 5. These are the multiples of 5. Understand? Okay, students. Now, so this is the multiples. These are the multiples. So can I some more examples? Can we check write the some more examples? Okay, students. Now write the some more examples. Okay, students. Now I have written some examples. Write the multiples of 7. Write the multiples of 7. Now we should multiply 7 and the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 3 the 21, 7 4 the 28, okay, 7 5 the 35, okay, 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49, okay, 7 8 the 56, 7 9 the 63, 7 10 the 70. Okay, continuous numbers are there. So this is the answer of write the multiples of 7. Next, write the first 5 multiples of 13. Write the first 5. Only 5. He is asking for first 5. First 1 multiply 2, 3, 4, 5. Enough. Only first 5 multiples. Okay, I have written 13 on the 13. Next, 13 to the 26, 33 the 39, 13 4 the 52, 13 5 the 65 is enough. Okay, next, write the first 6 multiples of 20. 6 multiples only. 6 multiples is asking. 21 the 20, 1 over, 22 the 40, 23 the 60, 24 the 80, 25 the 100, 26 the 120 is enough. Okay, so now this is the answer. So sometimes he's asking, write the write seventh multiple of seventh multiple of 10. Seventh multiple, which one is seventh multiple? Seventh multiple is asking. Seventh multiple of 10. Seventh multiple yadu? 10 on the 10, 10 to the 20, 10 to the 30, 10 for the 40, 10 5 the 50, 10 6 the 60, 10 7 the 70. What is it multiple of seventh multiple of 10? 70. This is the multiple of 70. Sometimes multiple of uh, question will be asking, write the second multiple of 10. Second multiple of 10, 20. Okay, write the fourth multiple of 8. Write the fourth multiple of 8. Fourth multiple means 8 on the 8, 8 to the 16, 8 to the 24, 8 for the 32. 32 is the fourth multiple of 8. So here, so which one is 7 multiple of 7th? Seventh multiple of 7. Write the seventh multiple of 7. Which one is seventh multiple? Yes, 49. 49 is the seventh multiple of 7. Next, Guruji, so this is the type of questions. Guruji, ಒಂದಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ 5 ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. So these are the questions. Okay, so all of you understand the multiples. So it's very very important. You have to practice it. Okay, 1 or 2 times you have to read. Is very important concept. Multiples and factors. Okay, to the higher classes. Okay, so now I'm using for, so this is the multiples. Now I will go for common multiples. Taken that another one. We can take the common multiples. ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬುಕ್, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಬುಕ್. ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರತನ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೂ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸು ಒಂದೇ ಬುಕ್ಕೆ, ಹಗರಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ಬುಕ್ಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ CBSE ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಓಕೆ, RVK CBSE ಮಾತ್ರ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಮನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2 and 3. Okay, so first we should write the multiples of 2, write the multiples of 3. Both the numbers having the same, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So now we should write this number, multiples of 2, multiples of 2, multiples of 3. Write the multiples up to 10. Write the multiples of 3 and 2. Okay, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 7 the 14, 2 8 the 16, 2 9 the 18, 2 10 the 20. It is enough. Next, we should write 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12, 3 5 the 15, 3 6 the 18, 3 9 the 21. Okay, 3 7 21, 3 9 the 3 8 the 24, 3 9 the 27, 3 10 the 30. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಗುರುಜಿ? 6 ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ 6 ಇದೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ 12 ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ 12 ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ 18 ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಇಯರ್ 18, ಇಯರ್ 18. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಫ್. ಗುರುಜಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ಕಂತ ಹೋದಂಗ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 32 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 250 32 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2 and 3. ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2 and 3 is what? What are the numbers of common multiples? 3, 6 and 12 and 18. These are the common multiples of 2 and 3. These are the common multiples of 2 and 3. So here, first common multiple is what? First common multiple is 6. Second one common multiple is 12. Third one common multiple is 18. So okay, keep the mind. First one is 6, second one is 12, third one is 18. So keep the mind. So so we should write is also a common multiple. There are many other common multiples of 2 and 3. ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಇದಾವೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ limited. Multiples are, keep the mind. So sorry, multiples are unlimited, not for limited. Multiples are unlimited. So we have multiply goes on increasing. Okay, keep the mind. Okay, multiples means all the multiples are either equal or greater than the given number. So look at that. So look at the multiples. Okay, multiples means all the multiples are the equal. Sometimes all the multiples are equal or greater than. illa equal irutte, illa idikina dodadirutte the given number. So this is the first point. Okay, multiples are equal, illa equal irtave or either than greater than the given number. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ತಾವೆ. 2 to the 4 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, 2 ಗಿಂತ given number ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Okay, next, every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. 1 is every number of multiple. So 1 ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Next one, any number is a multiple of itself. Any number is a multiple of itself. Itself means this number. 2 is a multiple of 2 given number. 3 is a multiple of 3. Yes. Itself number also multiple. Okay, these are the concepts. Now I will go for the second one example. Write the common multiples of 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Write it. 4 and 5. Now 4 and 5 multiples of 4, multiples of 4, next multiples of 5. Write the multiples of 4. 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 the 12. Okay, 4 3 the 12, 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 4 7 the 28, 4 8 the 32. Okay, 4 9 the 36, 4 10 the 40. Next, multiples of 5. 5 1 the 5. Itself number is a multiple of 1 is a multiple of every number. Okay. If it is greater than either are equal. ಇಲ್ಲ equal ಇರುತ್ತೆ multiple ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. It is not less than. Okay. 5 to the 10. 5 3 the 15. 5 4 the 20. 5 6 the 24. Okay. Sorry. 5 5 the 25. 5 6 the 30. 5 7 the 35. 5 8 the 40. 5 9 the 45. 5 10 the 50. So find the multiples, common multiples. Here 20, here 20. Next here here 40, here 40. Write the common multiples. Common multiples of 4 and 5 is 20 and 40. So what is the first one common multiple? First common multiple is First common multiple is what? 20. First common multiple is 20. Second one common multiple is 40. Okay. So this is the multiples on common multiples. Now I will go for the taken the some more points. So okay, taken that properties of multiples. Properties of multiples is very important. Sometimes is asking for the examination dashes. Okay, fill in the blanks will be question asking. Any number is a multiple of itself. Any number, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದು itself ಕೂಡ multiple ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ because we have multiply 1. Okay, look at that. I have written one example. 10 on the 10. 10 is a multiple of 10. Yes, is it right? Yes. So any number, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, any number is a multiple of itself. ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ itself ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Okay, so first one property. Second one, every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of number. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ಗೂ 1 is a multiple of every number. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. Okay, 110 the 10, 120 the 20, 130 the 13. Okay, 115 the 15. Okay, 113 the 3, 12 the 2. So 1 is a multiple of every number. Every number is a multiple of 1. Okay, now all the multiples are either equal. Illodri equal ಇರಬಹುದು. Sometimes equal ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Some one number ಮಾತ್ರ equal ಇರುತ್ತೆ. itself number ಮಾತ್ರ equal ಇರುತ್ತೆ. One either equal or greater than 20, 30, greater than the given number. 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Fourth one property, all the multiples are unlimited. So we can multiply, goes on 10, after that 11, so goes on multiply. So multiples are unlimited. These are the properties of multiples. So once again I will repeat it. Any number is a multiple of itself. 10 and 10. Next we can do 2 on the 2, 3 on the 3, 4 on the 4, 200 on the 200. So multiple of 1. Itself number. Every number is a multiple of 1. One number in the ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Okay, 1 ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವೆ. One number 1 ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. All the multiples are equal or greater than the given number. Next, multiples are unlimited. These are the properties of multiples. Now, just one or two mains are there in exercise 6a. I will solve. So after the complete the class. Now, taken the exercise part. Okay, students. Now, exercise 6a, fourth main, fifth main, seventh main. I have to solve. So because it is challenging, sometimes we'll be using tricks. So, okay, let me now solve the exercise 6a, fourth main, fifth main. Remaining mains you have to do. Those are very easy. So, okay. Now, which of the following numbers have 56 as a multiple? Which of the following numbers have 56 as a multiple? 56 as a multiple. So, which one is 56 as a multiple? Yes, 256. 2 how much of 56? 228 the 56. Next, 4. 4 how much of 56? 4. 4 1 the 4. 4 4 the 16. 14 for the 56. 14 for the 4 14 the 56 is a multiple of 4. Next, 6. 6 on the 6, 6 to the 8, 6 to the 6 to the 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 the 36, 6 the 36, 6 7 the 42, 6 6 on the 42, 6 8 the 48, 6 9 the 54, 6 10 the 60. Not, it is not a multiple of 6. Yes. 8. Check the 8 table. 8 1 the 8, 8 to the 16, 8 to the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 40, 8 7 the 56. 8 5 the 40, 8 6 the 48, 8 7 the 56. Yes. Is a 56 is a multiple of 8. Now, so these are the 9. 9 is not 9 5 the 54. 9 6 the 54 is there. 9 8 9 7 the 63 is there. So it is not a multiple of 9. Okay. Fill in the blanks. 8 and 4 equals to 8 into 4 equal to 32. 32 is a multiple of what? 32 is a multiple of what? So 8 and 4. 8 and 4. These are the multiples of 32. These are the multiples of 32. Next, 2 into 3 into 4 equals to 24. So 24 is a multiple of what? Multiple of 2. Next, 3 and 4. Is it right? Next, tick the pair of numbers. Tick the pair of numbers in which the second number is a multiple of first. Okay. Tick the pair of numbers in which second number is multiple of first. Second number is a multiple of first. Which one is a multiple of second first? Okay. 25 is a multiple of first. 5 25. How much 25? 5 5 the 25. Yes, it is a multiple of first pair. Next one. 9. 9 is a multiple of 81. 9 7 the 63, 9 8 the 72, 9 9 the 81. Yes, it is a multiple of 9. Yes. Next one. 4 42. 4 and 42. 4 4 10 the 40. 4 11 the 44. It is not a multiple of, it is not a multiple of 42. 4 and 42. Next, 2 and 1. 250 the 100. 251 the 102 is there. So it is not a multiple of, yes. So these are the example. So remaining mains are very easy. Okay, common multiples and multiples. Okay, so first main, second main, third main, sixth main and eighth main solve in HW, and then practice it one time multiples. Today what I am writing in the board, multiples and factors, that should be copied in CW one time, then 1 or 2 times you have to practice it. Then our students, it is a main chapter, so very important. Must and should you have to watch the video and improve your knowledge. Dhanyavad.